Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PropertyShark for research on taxes and ownership. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the PropertyShark website by entering the URL in your browser. Click on the sign up button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. After completing the form, check for any promotional subscription options available. Select the subscription plan that best suits your research needs for taxes and ownership. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Return to the PropertyShark website and log in using your credentials. Explore the dashboard where you can access property research tools. Use the search bar to find property information by entering the address or owner's name. Navigate through the various sections to explore tax records and ownership details. Utilize filters to refine your searches for more accurate results. Take advantage of downloadable reports for your personal or professional use. Check your account regularly for any updates or new features. Enjoy leveraging PropertyShark for efficient research on taxes and ownership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.